is equal to 1 centimeter. So I start from home. Before I start, I need to make sure that I look at the directions. Here it says the top is north and the bottom says south. Now my question is, from home you travel 10 miles to the east. How do I do that? I know that one box gives me 1 mile, so I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So this is my point A, where I am 10 miles away from home. So if you want a ruler, you can draw this line and you can write down your answer here. How much distance have you traveled from home? I have traveled 10 miles. What is distance from home? Again, it's just 10 miles. But what is my displacement here? Displacement is the shortest distance from the initial point. So my displacement is 10 miles, but distance cannot be represented just with magnitude and unit. It needs one more thing to go with it, and that thing is direction. So we move 10 miles in the east. So displacement answer is 10 miles east. Now it says, the question says, from point A, you move 10 miles to the north. So you start from point A, start counting 10 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So this is your point B. Now you're writing down distance travel. So distance traveled from point A to point B is 10 miles. Total distance traveled from home. So this is your home. So you travel 10 and another 10. So in all you travel 20 miles. Now displacement. So displacement here is you have traveled what the shortest distance from your home. So if you are looking for that answer, in that case you need to join those 2 points and you need to read numbers on it. And once you join those 2 points and you figure out what is the length, you would know that it is 14.2 miles. But when I traveled in the shortest direction, shortest distance between home to point B, I'm moving in 2 different directions. I'm moving, I'm rising, and I'm running. So I am running in east and I'm rising in north. So this direction is northeast. If you look at this direction rows, you will know that that is northeast. We were moving in northeast. So you need to add direction here. Now third part of the question says, from B, again you move 10 miles to the west. So we count 10 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So this is my point C. Now distance covered from point B to point C is 10 miles. Total distance covered, that means starting from home, this is 10, 20, and 30. So we covered 30 miles from home. Now what is the displacement? Displacement is the shortest distance. So when we measure the shortest distance from home, that is just 10 miles. But now you're 10 miles in which direction from home? So 10 miles, look at that direction rows and you will know that you are in the north side of your home. So you are 10 miles away from home in the north direction. Now the problem says that you are traveling, oh, this is here. So it says that you are traveling 10 more miles to the south. So count 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So you are back at home. So from point C to home, you have traveled 10 miles. But what is your total distance covered from home? 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. So you have covered total distance of 40 miles from home. And now your displacement, you started from home and you are again at home. So there is no shortest distance between 2 points. Both the points are same. So in this case, your displacement is going to be 0 miles. You haven't displaced anywhere. Even if you have traveled 40 miles, your displacement is 0. So this is how you write down your distance and displacement. Now I have done this one problem form for you, and there is similar problem on the questionnaire. So how about you solve second question on the same graph sheet with different color of pencil, so you can easily differentiate between your graph 1 and graph 2. Okay, one more time. We are trying to differentiate between distance and displacement in this assignment. And when we write distance, we always write it with magnitude and unit. And when we write displacement, we need magnitude, unit, and direction. So be clear about that. And when we find displacement, we use our ruler to find the shortest distance between 2 points. Thank you and try to do your best.